Here's how to log out of your Facebook account in 2026. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. To ensure that, you can open your Play Store if you're using Android and your App Store if you're using iPhone or iPad. Then search for Facebook application, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Then after opening your Facebook application, click on the three-line menu from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down and you'll get the option of log out. Go ahead and select it and then select log out, which is highlighted in red color, and you'll be instantly logged out from your account. If you haven't saved your credentials before, you need to enter your username or email address associated with your account along with your password to re-log into your Facebook account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.